Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable the chat heads that are displaying over other apps in your phone. As we all know, when you open a messenger or when someone texts you, messages you on messenger, you will get a chat heads appearance in your mobile phone and it get displayed over other apps as well. The updated version of the app had made it easy to enable the chat heads within the Messenger. Now, first of all, open Messenger application on your mobile phone. You need to sign in into your account by providing your account details and all account details and password for the account. Now, once you are inside the home page, you tap on the profile icon on top of the left side. There you scroll down and you will see chat heads options. As you can see, the chat head option in mine is currently in disable mode. Now if I tap on this, the chat heads appearance can be seen in the notification bar there. And just like that, now if someone texts you or messages you on Messenger, you will see the chat heads that will be displayed over other apps. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can easily enable the chat heads on your Messenger by just tapping on. Thank you.